Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to skip Meta verified waitlist. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to latest version available. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of your screen and you will be on your profile page. Here, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right and your settings will open up. Here, you can see the account center at the top. Click on it and here scroll down and click on Meta Verified. Here it says you are on a waiting list. Now there is only one option to skip this waitlist process, but the downside is that you need to be an established public figure. Here's how you can do it. In the search bar, type request. You'll see the option request verification. Click on that. Then go through the process of entering your full name, providing documents, and confirming your notability. You need to be a notable figure in the public space. After that, you will need to put your links and submit the requests. Keep in mind, if you're an average person, chances are you will be declined. However, if you are notable on social media or in the public eye, you can skip the waitlist by following this process. That's the only way to bypass the Meta verified waitlist. So that's basically how you can skip Meta verified waitlist. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.